Let's say we have a list of chores and we have no idea how we're going to divide them. And then once we do divide them evenly, feeding the pets is easy. Emptying the trash bins is not as easy, right? So one solution is to put difficulty assigned to them. In this template, it doesn't matter what you put. You could put 1 through 100. So what you start with is with this person list. I'm going to add Oscar, bring the total number of people to 6. And let's add a chore, kitty litter. We have to remember to add a difficulty. Let's say that's an 8. So down here is the math. So we can see Oscar has 0 points. Everybody else has points. So let's even that out by using solver. This is already set up in my template. It takes about a minute to solve it. This shows the results when it's done. It says solver cannot improve the current solution. All constraints are satisfied. Hit OK. And look, everybody's got 118 difficulty points except for Oscar. Maybe we make him change the roll of toilet paper next time. You could do the same thing for weekly chores and chores you do monthly. Let's say you don't need these every day. You could delete some of them. Of course, it makes it uneven again. So you can just hit solver and resolve it. And there you go. So hopefully this is something that can improve the fairness of your project or household. I have this available for sale at my stand store. If there's enough demand, I'll make a video explaining the principles of how I did this. Thanks.